Women are scorpions. They are vampires. Don't suck it, animals.
What is it?
What did you do for my room now?
And so what?
I don't really like this kind of thing.
I shut up. I've been telling you all this while that I like you.
Madam.
Oh, shut up.
Madam, no, man, shut up. You did inside your ass room. What happened now? Oga, uncle.
Oga? What are you really telling me about that man? I told you for the first time that I like you. If you want peace to reign in this house, you have to do what I say.
Madam, I will shut up.
Shut up. Oga! Hey! Wait, let me go. What's in this house? Me and you.
Which kind of man like this one? What go I just start? That's what they do for this Lagos. No, they help bring come inside. I will tell you something now, copy one. All the way from Edumoga, Benue State. Nonsense.
I won't miss you.
Oh, Gaga. I got this in our love, Before I come go inside, the driver and then go.
Okay, Okopi, you know, I'm leaving this house now. And I want you to take care of my wife and this house. Don't let her lack anything. I repeat, anything. Well, I trust you though. I trust you. So, baby. Yeah.
Huh? Love.
What happened?
I got nothing.
Are you sure?
Nothing. I hit my leg.
Okopi, you and your wahala.
Madam.
Come here.
Now wait.
Only me and you now. In this whole house.
I don't believe me and you there. Me, you, Godfather and the Son. Madam, wait till you move.
Please remove the name of God in this. Now me and you. Come here.
Madam, wait.
Come here. Come here.
Madam, I know what to do.
Come here. Oh, you want to beat me? Come here.
I'm not here.
Come and do. I said come here. No, baby, no.
So this is what you've been doing.
No, me. Baby, you don't trust me again.
Trust you?
Baby, no.
You told me. Let me tell him.
The best now to just go my own, make peace for reign for you and your fiancé or wife to be.
No, hold on. Is it that I am not paying you well, or is she maltreating you?
Okay, maltreating it for even the better. You not paying for see better. Your woman, she dey sneak enter my room for night. Kitchen she go see enter. You dey ruin me. I don't like calm.
Are you serious?
Okay, serious oh. Ha.
Wait. I'm not going to. Why would you tell me that? That is nonsense. Arab nonsense. You are telling me my wife is sneaking into your room?
Ghana nonsense at the talk.
Yes, you are.
No vex. This one we talk soon. I dey like do with facts, with evidence. Now they explain. I go explain. So you no go won't believe me. Oga, I get plan. We go plan.
So you want to destroy my marriage?
Oga, upstairs.
Oh.
I don't prove my points. I know you like this kind of
thing.
Baby. For our side, for our come do more.
See, as for you see this marriage, it is over for you.
No, baby, not like that.
Just go inside.
Baby, not like that.
Okay,
Baby,
like this.
baby, please.